If you want to create website content that keeps your visitors hooked, pay attention. My blog's won a ton of awards and made over $1 million. So I'm going to show you the 10 things that I do to create incredible website content. It all starts with an idea. And I get most of my content ideas from communities like niche forums, Facebook groups, and Quora. I love creating content that helps people solve their problems. So I pay close attention to the questions people are asking in communities and make notes of any that stand out. For example, one of the biggest challenges in SEO is building links. So I created this post that lists 12 different link building strategies for people to use and how to execute them. I've also noted that people love case studies as a learning tool. So I've published posts like this one that takes them behind the scenes of our SEO strategies and decisions to help build their understanding. Now, once you have some general ideas, you can refine them by entering relevant keywords into Google and looking at the People Also Ask box or the related searches box for more inspiration. You can also use a tool like Answer the Public to see exactly what questions people are asking about that topic. Or you can do it how I do it and use Ahrefs, which returns tons of ideas along with search volumes and how difficult it will be to rank in Google. Once you've selected your topic, you need to work out which type of content will work best for that topic and your audience. For example, my link building strategies posts work best with the list post framework, so head over to the full post on my blog now to find a list of the 8 different content frameworks you can use. When you have that, all you need to do is write the content. And that is easier for some people than others. So I'm going to share the basic principles that I've developed to write my content. First, you should write how you speak. And if you can't do that, well, then you can use the voice typing feature of Google Docs right here. When you're writing, it's important to set a tone of voice. And the way I do that is to get straight to the point with no fluff. I like to keep things short, punchy, and simple. And where most SEOs are looking to increase their word count, I'm actively trying to reduce my word count during editing to say the same thing with less words. You'll rarely see me use more than 2 sentences in a paragraph, and that is by design. Although I do like to create longer content rather than shorter content because it casts a much bigger net of long-tail keywords that you can potentially rank for. If you're wondering how many words you should write, do a quick Google search for your topic and see how long the content that is currently ranking is. If you see like a bunch of sites ranking with less than 1,000 words of content, then you know that you don't need to go to the effort of creating a 15,000 word monster guide to compete. And as you are writing your content, make sure to include some of the copywriting techniques from this video, which will not only improve the performance of your content, but it will also help you to attract more search traffic. Now, once it's written, all you need to do is pay close attention to formatting. You want to make sure that your content is formatted nicely with headings, bullet points, images, and flows nicely to create a pleasant reading experience. For example, this is what the What is SEO post looked like at first draft. And this is what it looked like after I finished formatting it with headers, images, and bullet points. And as you can see, it makes a huge difference. You should also spot check your on-page SEO optimization using an SEO plugin like Rank Math. I always aim to achieve a score of at least 80, but it's not that important. And last but not least, you also need to make sure the final content looks great on both desktop and your mobile device before running it through the Google PageSpeed tool, where you want to be seeing mobile scores of 70+ and desktop scores of 90+. That is in a nutshell how to create killer content for your website that will keep readers engaged and search traffic flowing. And if you head over to the full post on my blog, I'll also show you how to create a content strategy alongside the 8 content frameworks that you can use to create amazing content. But before you do that, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, or stick around and watch my next video to learn some copywriting hacks that are guaranteed to keep your audience stuck to your website.